Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful ENA Micro 9 espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to do a tune-up, which means we have to remove the entire panels of this machine. We have to completely remove them from here. It's a little tricky to get it on this machine, especially because this is the older ENA versions of the Jura line. So the older ones do not have the security screw that you can just pull down and then remove, and then that unlatches these 5 panels, and then you can just slide them out. This one you have to press into some very specific points on the panel so you can actually pop it out. So we did that, so in order to get to the brew unit, and once we got to the brew unit, we disassembled the whole thing, and as you can see right here, I have a similar brew unit of the machine. This one does not work. This is one of the ones that we have for that we removed from one of our machines. And as you can see, this one has a lot of little parts in there, and it's really hard to get into these machines, as is in this position as you see, but inside of it. We removed the brew unit of this machine, and this is how it looked like. There was a lot of coffee buildup everywhere, especially around this valve. This valve that you see right here, it's this one. So we have to disassemble the entire thing, replace the gaskets of it, and then put it back together. We deep clean it inside the one on the machine. Because as you can see, yeah, it was in really bad condition. We relubricated those little gears as well. We disassembled it all completely. Replaced the O-ring of the gasket of the brew unit itself. Relubricate everything, deep clean it, and just put it back. Once we put it back, we descaled this machine and did other cleaning as well. So starting with one cappuccino, we're gonna be testing out the entire machine. We're going to be testing the frother, we're going to be testing the spouts, and then we're going to be testing the hot water. We also clean a little bit around the hopper as well as around the grinder. As you can see, it's siphoned correctly, coming out very nicely. We're not using milk, we're using milk cleaner, which is going to clean very well this frother. After that, we're going to disassemble it and soak it and clean it. We still have a couple of screws on the back. It's because after this test, I got to check over there and make sure there's no leaks or anything like that. Okay, now we're going to do a shot of espresso because I completely forgot to put the beans in there. So the grinder told me that there was no beans inside. So the cappuccino got cancelled. We only got a little bit of frothing, and now we're testing the spouts to see the flow coming out from the spouts. And as you can see, nice steady stream coming out from there, looking really great. Nice shot of espresso, looking amazing. So there you have it, Jura ENA Micro 9 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.